Northside. How are you guys doing today? I hope you guys are doing great. And let's get into it with this video. The first company for this job offer that I have for you guys that you can apply to is for Northside Concepts. And the job role for this company will be an appointment setter, and it's a part-time job and it's a remote position. And the start pay of this job will be $12 to $16 per hour. And the benefits for this company will be flexible scheduling and also offers paid training as well. Northside Concepts is seeking several appointment setters to grow our remote team. You will be working alongside our customer success and sales teams to schedule appointments for corporate clients. Responsibility goes as for this appointment setter position, communicate with prospective and current customers via email and over the phone. Provide the highest level of customer service during all client interactions. Inform employees of appointments scheduled, rescheduled, and canceled in a timely manner. Accurately determine client needs and goals so that appointments are scheduled with the correct team member. The qualifications for this job is high school diploma degree or equivalent experience in a customer-facing position, provide proven ability to communicate effectively in both verbal and written communication skills, ability to work independently, must have reliable internet access. Benefits, paid training period, flexible scheduling, paid part-time or full-time positions are available, you guys, and this is within the past 30 days. But they are still hiring, you guys. It's on Indeed, so they're still hiring. Clearly, you guys, they're still hiring. So jump on it, you guys. This company is with Northside Concepts, an appointment setter, and the pay is $12 to $16 per hour, and it's a part-time job position with this one specific job role. Okay, part-time career. Now with this next job is called CareCentrix. It's a remote position and the pay is $16.35 per hour, and it's a full-time job position and it's a remote position. Now the benefits goes as 401k matching, dental insurance, flexible spending account, health insurance, health savings account, opportunities for advancement, paid time off, parental leave, profit sharing, tuition reimbursement, and vision insurance. And the overview for this job goes as, do you have the passion to make an impact on other people's lives? Then come join our team, because CareCentrix is committed to making the home the center of patient care. As a healthcare customer service expert in our client services team, you make a difference every time you facilitate the initiation and termination of the care and services provided. You will have full accountability and ownership of customer issues that may arise during and after an ordering is processing. Prioritization and organization skills are key to being successful in this role. Responsibilities. In this job, you will collect, interpret, verify, and accurately enter data from referral sources and completed paperwork to process orders. Work closely with health plans, payers, and maintain strong business relationships. Ensure the patient qualifies for the type of and quality of products ordered based upon the patient's insurance and/or contract guidelines. Obtain insurance authorization when necessary. Provide appropriate issue resolution and/or escalations when needed. You are going to love this role if you possess excellent communication skills, both verbal and written. You are able to maintain or manage multiple tasks in a high call volume environment while demonstrating organizational skills, independent thought, and critical thinking. Qualifications for this job is, you should get in touch if you have these qualifications. You have a high school diploma or equivalent. You have a minimum of 1 year billing, insurance, or claims experience. You embrace the values of accountability, consistency, engagement, and patient compassion, empowerment, respect, and outstanding service. You are fun to work with and enjoy what you do. What we offer, starting pay for external hires is $16.35 per hour plus incentive bonus opportunity. The pay range includes in this posting reflects future growth, earning potential, full range of benefits including health, dental, and vision, and with HSA, employer contribution, and dependent care, FSA, employer match. Profit sharing, generous PTO, paid time off, 401k savings plan, paid parental leave, free on-demand virtual fitness training, and more. Advancement opportunities, professional skills training, and tuition reimbursement. Great culture with a sense of community. CareCentrix maintains a drug-free workplace, and they are an equal opportunity employer, and they will help with reasonable accommodations. They posted this job 2 days ago, so you guys jump on it. They're still hiring. It's on Indeed, so they're still hiring you guys. Get into it. And those are the 2 jobs that I have for today on this video. And I'm even going to add an extra bonus one because I've briefly talked about this 3rd job that I'm going to add on this video. It's a bonus job, you guys. It's a customer care specialist, and it's a remote position based out in Louisville, Kentucky. And the pay is $20 per hour, and the work hours will be Monday through Friday. So it's a 5-day scheduling for this job to work. Okay, it's a full-time job position, and with this job, it has benefits of an employment discount, health insurance, paid time off, tuition reimbursement, work from home. We give you a world of potential. Founded in 1978, ComputerShare was one of the Melbourne, Australia's first startup technology companies. Since then, we've become a world leader of financial administration with over 15,000 employees across 21 different countries, delivering expertise to over 25,000 clients. Our decades of experience have made us the world's foremost transfer agency and investor services providers. Now, you'll love this role as a customer care specialist. You'll spend the first 5 weeks of your career learning to navigate our systems. Training is held Monday through Friday from 8:30 a.m. to 5 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and the dependability is critical during this time. You'll learn how to research account information, resolve problems, and provide clarity to our callers. Our training is robust because the needs of our customers can be complex, so attention to detail is key. During training, you'll be given the opportunity to choose an available Monday to Friday schedule between the hours of 8 a.m. through 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time based on performance and attendance. From there, you'll become an expert in providing customer support and responding to incoming inquiries. Previous experience with complex transactions and or financial experience is a preferred, but the ability to learn how to flawlessly navigate our systems and research while engaging the customers is required. Now, this job is rewarding you guys at $20 per hour paid bi-weekly, additional monthly, quarterly, and peak season bonus potential based on performance and attendance. Full benefits available on the first of the month following your start date. Computer equipment provided and shipped directly to you. No weekends, 9 paid holidays, and potential for overtime. 3 weeks of paid time off, including a day every year of voluntary time for a good cause that is important to you. Extra rewards from tuition reimbursement to cash benefits and referral programs, bonus referral programs, employee share plans, employee discounts, and the ability to take your career anywhere in the world. So yes, for immediate consideration, please check your email for a link to complete a quick 25-minute mobile-friendly assessment. What you will bring for this role: customer focus, technical aptitude, mastery of multitasking, empathy and patience, communication, numeric reasoning, experience, education, technology. A diverse and inclusive place, and it's an equal opportunity employment, you guys, and they also help with the accommodation for disability accommodations for anyone who has any disabilities. Okay, so it's a great workplace to work. It posted 7 days ago, which was a week ago. So yeah, you guys jump on these 3 jobs. This is the bonus job. It's called ComputerShare, and the job role is customer care specialist. Sorry about all the stuttering, you guys. Just excited about getting these jobs out to you guys, and I have done it, and I'm so excited for you guys. Get a piece of that work pie and keep shining, my diamond squad, because you are worth it. I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.